Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on the Twitch application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Twitch application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your credentials and you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you wish to edit your profile, tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner and then tap on edit profile at the top right. This will now take you into your profile edit page. You can edit your profile picture as well as your profile banner by tapping on the respective buttons and then uploading your preferred image. Underneath this, you will find your username as well as the display name, which you can change as well by simply tapping on them. You can also tap on the bio button to add a bio within your profile, letting your followers know what your account is about. Finally, underneath you will find the social links option where you can tap on the manage button in order to link various other accounts. Once you have made your changes, you can simply go back and all of your changes will be saved. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit your profile on the Twitch application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.